Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, now today is my favorite time of the week and it's Tablescape Tuesdays. Now this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY home decor, that's myself, and Amethyst Adventures. Now, this collaboration is hosted every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Any color, theme, or style, unless we have a guest in and they choose any color, theme, or style. Now, as with all collaborations, I ask you to exercise YouTube etiquette. Now, I'm going to be linking the host down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you don't want to miss Tablescape Tuesdays. Now, also remember that subscribing to the channel is totally free. Clicking that like button and full watching the video, this helps us to grow. And also comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now let's head on over to the video. So I decided to decorate this coffee table for two. And I decided to do it and call it Mellow Yellow. So I'm going to get to decorating and go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll be popping in and out of the video. So I'll see you. Now I'm going to go ahead and start out with that centerpiece. That was a DIY from the collaboration Silly Rabbit, Easter is for Jesus. And then the two side vases are DIYs that I decorated with items from BB Crafts. The tablecloth did come from the Salvation Army, so that was a thrifted item. Now the placemats and the chargers, that came from Hobby Lobby. And those beautiful lemon plates, they came from Big Lots. Now moving on over to the glassware. So the wine glass and the water glasses, both of those were thrifted items. I got those from the Salvation Army. Also the cloth napkins in white, that also came from the Salvation Army. And the ties, they came from the Dollar Tree. Now, during the holiday season, Aldi's was carrying this beautiful flatware and at a reasonable price, and I got them in gold. And so that's what I'm setting the table with today. Okay, so here we are. We lit the candles, and it's time to head on over to the reveal. Now, I do want to take a moment to thank everyone who joined in and participated in this collaboration, either by joining in or watching. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.